Hello everyone, welcome to Clean Tech Nap with the brand new video for today. And if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel and share the video everyone. Okay, so without further more delay, let's go to the today's chapter. So everyone, welcome to our new chapter for today. So today's topic is litter picking. Okay, from this video we're going to discuss about importance and the purpose of the work, what are the safety measures and how we can protect ourselves, required materials and tools and chemical for the job, what are the procedures to follow, and how we can protect our equipment. So the purpose of litter picking is to remove waste and debris from the surfaces. Okay, wherever we see litters, waste or debris, we need to remove it immediately, and also to leave surface clean and tidy and hygiene as well. Okay, to maintain quality and standard level. And to complete this job we require our materials. You can see on the picture litter picking. The first one is litter picking and the second one is lobby dustbin sheet, and you need garbage bags and personal protective equipment. And the procedures to follow are as mentioned on the points. You need to proceed to a storeroom, switch on the light, check all the situation of your storerooms, check all the ventilation situation, pest control situation, maintenance faulty. If there are any maintenance faulty, you need to report directly to your supervisor. Okay, then you need to wash your hand properly with the soap, make it dry, and check if there are any cuts or any wounds, and immediately report to your supervisor and take first aid requirement for yourself. Okay, then you can use your PPEs, disposable gloves, dust mask, eye goggle, etc. Then you need to collect all your required tools, chemicals for the job. Then you need to proceed to your work area. Okay, once you reach to your work area, then you need to place signboard. Okay, always remember to place signboard. It's for the safety reason. Once you place signboard, then inspect all the areas, whether there are any damages, any defects, immediately report to your supervisor. Then you can use your litter picker or lobby dustbin to pick up all the litters from the floor. Then once your lobby dustbin is full, then you need to discard your garbage to the garbage bin liner which you have brought from your store, as you can see on the picture. Okay, and again collect all the litters, all the dust from the surfaces, and again put in your garbage bag. Once it is almost full, or it is 70% full, then you need to make it tie properly. Okay, then you need to discard it in the garbage dustbin. On the garbage bin, as you can see on the picture, there is a garbage skip. You have to discard it. Okay, keep continue with the same process until all the areas has been covered. Upon completion of your job, double check the area and inform to your supervisor that the job has been completed. Okay, after area is cleaned, then you can remove your signages. Then you can proceed to your storeroom. Once you reach to your storeroom, make sure you discard all the waste on appropriate garbage bin. Okay, check your equipment properly after use, remove all the dust and stain from your equipment and clean it properly. Okay, and at the end, make sure you arrange all your chemicals, all your tools properly in the storeroom for the next use. Okay, as you can see in the picture how it is arranged, you have to arrange it on the same process all the time. Okay, at the end of the session, additional information is that health and safety rules to be followed all the times. Okay, it is for your own safety. So with this information we end the session for today, and I believe that this session give you some good information regarding the topic that we discussed on this video. And if you guys have missed my other videos as well, you can find out all the link in this video's description. You can find out there and you can check it out as well. And at the end of the session, if you guys have not subscribed yet my channel, please make sure to subscribe it.